Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the best electric screwdriver set, a precision tool designed for working on PCs, consoles, laptops, cameras, and more. If you're looking for an electric screwdriver that's reliable, efficient, and packed with features, then stay with us for the full breakdown. Let's get started. Product features. Variable torque settings. One of the standout features of this electric screwdriver set is its 5-gear torque adjustment. You can easily switch between high torque, low torque, and manual torque depending on your needs. Whether you're working on delicate electronics like PC motherboards, cameras, or game consoles, or handling sturdier materials, this tool offers precise control for every task. Screw magnetization for effortless work. No more losing tiny screws. The Gallicock electric screwdriver set features an innovative screw magnetization device that ensures screws and screwdrivers connect instantly and securely. This means fewer dropped screws and an easier, frustration-free repair experience, especially when working on tiny, intricate components. Organization magnetic case. Storage and organization matter, especially with small precision tools. That's why I love the magnetic storage case that comes with this set. It keeps everything in place, and the pop-up mechanism adds a satisfying touch every time you open it. You'll never have to dig around looking for the right bit again. Versatile toolkit. This screwdriver set is incredibly versatile. It includes 64 precision bits covering 10 different categories, including Torx, Phillips, flathead, tweezers, and a pry bar. With this complete package, you won't need to buy extra bits for different devices. Plus, the S2 hardened steel construction guarantees long-lasting durability. Long-lasting battery. Battery life is crucial when working on multiple projects. The Gallicock electric screwdriver set has a rechargeable battery that lasts for up to 400 screws per charge. The LED battery indicator keeps you informed about power levels, and the Type-C charging port makes recharging fast and convenient. You won't have to worry about running out of battery mid-repair. Pros. Adjustable torque settings. Perfect for delicate and sturdy tasks. Screw magnetization feature. Prevents screw loss and improves efficiency. Magnetic storage case. Keeps everything organized and easy to access. 64 high-quality bits. Covers all major screwdriver types. Long battery life. Up to 400 screws per charge with fast Type-C charging. Cons. Not ideal for heavy-duty drilling. Designed primarily for electronics and small repairs. No built-in LED light. Can be tricky in low-light environments. Final thoughts. So, is the Gallicock electric screwdriver set worth buying? Absolutely. With adjustable torque, a magnetic case, screw magnetization, and a long-lasting battery, this tool is a must-have for tech repair enthusiasts, DIYers, and professionals alike. Whether you're repairing an iPhone, upgrading a PC, or fixing a watch, this set has everything you need. If you're interested, check the price link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to BackTech Product for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.